would love to go RCing, but it's night time now. So what should I do? I think I might go to sleep. HobbyZip.com. HobbyZip.com.